everyone, welcome back to my channel. No, that's not what I say. Focus, Jennifer, focus. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Jen. Welcome to Lidli. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. No, not welcome back. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and if it's your first time here, thank you so much for joining me here today. My name is Jen and welcome to Luxylish. And if it's not your first time, and most especially if you are one of my subscribers, then great to have you back on my channel. Thank you so much once again for watching my videos, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for your support. I conducted a survey on my Facebook and my Instagram, and I asked you guys what makeup tutorial you want me to do next, and what topped that survey is back to school or back to work natural makeup, which is quick and easy because you don't have that much time to get ready in the morning. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this look, which only took me a few minutes to do, but still making you look professional and put together. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It would really help me out a lot, and thank you all so much in advance. So that's it, let's get right to it. So today I'm going to be doing this tutorial a little bit differently because I realized, in real life, if I wake up in the morning and then I'm getting ready to go to school or to work, I'm not going to be talking to a camera and explaining every single thing that I'm doing and mentioning every single product that I'm using. So I decided I'm going to be conducting an IRL simulation, and I'm going to be doing my makeup, just focusing on doing my makeup as fast as I can. And to do that, I'm going to force myself to do this quickly by setting a timer. But don't worry, I will still be mentioning the products and explaining the steps via voiceover because editing is life. So here we go, let's get started. Timer starts now.
I've already primed my face with the Porefessional Pro Balm Primer by Benefit, and now I'm starting with foundation. I am using Nars Natural Radiant Longwear, and I'm in the shade Punjab. I'm applying this starting on the areas that need the most coverage and then blending it out. I'm using my fingers because personally I think the skin-to-skin application works best for me. I also noticed that this way is faster compared to other methods. I'm now blending the foundation out to the rest of my face, making sure that the edges are soft and seamless. I'm using a very light touch and avoiding to tug on my skin. Just tap, don't tug. On to concealer. This one is the Shape Tape Concealer by Tarte Cosmetics, and I'm just sparingly dotting it around areas that need a little bit more coverage, especially my dark circles, the sides of my nose and mouth, and my little blemishes and spider veins on my cheeks. And then I blend it out gently with my ring fingers. I like doing this to save time, as I'm blending out my concealer on both sides of my face simultaneously. Yeah, sometimes I'm smart like that. And then I use my Real Techniques Miracle Face and Smart Complexion Sponge to remove any excess concealer and also to make sure everything is evenly blended. This helps to have that airbrush finish too. Next, I set my concealer with MAC Select Sheer Press Powder. I do this while the concealer is still a bit wet. This helps to prevent creasing and locks that concealer in. Moving on to brows now, I'm using the Marker and Pencil Eyebrow Duo by Kiko Milano. This is from their Tuscan Sunshine collection, and I'm using number 3. I'm using the pencil to define the shape of my brows. Let's move on to the eyes. I chose this liquid eyeshadow from NYX. I love this rose gold color. It instantly brightens my eyes. Plus, because it's not powder, I don't have to worry about any fallout. I just apply it on my lids and blend it out with my fingers. Super easy. Now I'm accentuating the crease with this matte brown eyeshadow called Low Blow from the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. And I'm just using the brush that came with it. I'm just applying this eyeshadow on my crease with the rainbow shape motion. Make sure to keep the edges soft. I'm applying the same shade with the same brush on my lower lash line. This helps make my eye bags less noticeable. To line my eyes, I chose this Longwear cream shadow stick from Bobbi Brown. I'm just dotting this along my lash line, not even being too precise about it because I'm gonna smudge it out later. Using my smudger brush number 36 from Urban United Beauty, it's a drugstore brand. This cream shadow stick is a 2-in-1 product. Love that. I like it because it's easy to use, and once it's set, it will not move. Crucial for eyeliner. I'm just gonna quickly curl my lashes, but if I'm really in a hurry, I just skip this step usually. On to mascara. This one is from a Korean brand, Cyber Colors, and it's called Feather Tutu Magic Mascara. It helps when I lift my lids a little bit so I can really coat the roots. This helps my lashes look thicker without using additional liner, and helps to keep the curl too. Blush is next. I just put some of this liquid blush from Nars in the shade Torrid on the back of my hand, and then just sparingly apply it on the apples of my cheeks with my fingers. I think cream and liquid blushes look more fresh compared to powder blushes, and I just blend that with a sponge. Almost done! I chose this nude creamy lipstick from MAC. It's the mineralized rich lipstick in the shade Glamour Era. Then, I smudge the edges with my finger. I do this to make my lipstick look more natural on my lips. Today I won't be contouring. Instead, I am using a bronzer. This one is the medium deep shade from MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish line. And I'm using my NYX Professional Makeup Fan Brush number 90. But really, any big fluffy face brush will do. I'm applying the bronzer on the hollows of my cheeks, under the jawline, and a little around the perimeters of my face, just to warm up my complexion. But honestly, this is also an extra step. Feel free to skip this too if you don't have much time.
The clock. Oh, stop it. All right. Are my eyebrows even? I'm not sure. I was rushing. Oh my gosh, you guys, that was not easy. 47 seconds. I think that's pretty good, although I was aiming for 10 minutes or less. But you know what? Still, I mean, you know, give or take a few minutes here and there, but still, it was pretty quick and easy. And yeah, so now I'm ready to go to work. But wait, there's more on my next video. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to turn this back to school / work natural daytime makeup into a glammed up evening party look. It's perfect for when you have an event or a party to go to after school or after work and you don't have time to redo your makeup. You just turn your already existing makeup on your face and glam it up. As soon as it's ready, it's gonna be up on my channel, so please do check it out. Again, thank you so much for watching this tutorial and thank you for joining me today. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video with your friends. Again, my name is Jen. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye! I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you find it helpful. And yeah, okay, what was I gonna say? I forgot. That's gonna be up on my channel. And I'm gonna post it and I'm gonna